Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Family Rovers. Today we're in my kitchen and we're going to do a very simple dessert. It has only 4 basic ingredients. So we have apples, we have pecans, we have cinnamon and honey. And I feel that you already guessed what we're going to make. We are going to make baked apples with honey, cinnamon and pecans. And why I'm doing this dessert? First of all, I'm doing this dessert because it's really simple and it should be really fast to make. This is actually the first time I do it, so we'll see how it will pan out. And secondly, because currently I'm on a diet and I'm craving something sweet and I'm trying to go with something that has the least amount of calories and something that's reasonably healthy. So I think that this combination here should be quite okay actually. What we'll do first, we'll begin with cleaning those up. So I'm gonna wash them. And then we're gonna peel the apples. I mean, I've seen recipes where they keep the skin of the apple, but I chose today to go with peeled apples. I don't know, I don't think the skin is gonna be really nice, so that's why I chose to peel them off. There we go. So let's see. Okay, apples peeled. And now comes the decision point. I feel I'm gonna cut them in half. So we're gonna go like this. And then I'm gonna create a little V shape here. And that's where I'm gonna keep the honey and the pecans. I have a bit more skin on this side, so just remove that. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking it's gonna work. As you can see here, nicely shaped, and then we're gonna fill the honey on top and put some pecans. Prepare the actual fryer compartment here. I'll put a bit of baking paper. There we go. And yeah, folks, if you're watching my videos and you have not subscribed, it will be really nice to do so because I really need your support. Okay, so I'm lining the compartment with baking paper, then we're gonna put the apples inside. So that's finished, and now I need to see what I'm going to do with the pecans. So I'll take a few pecans here, and I'm gonna use the knife to try and crush them a bit, so I'm not going to, I don't want them to be really ground, I just want them to have a little smaller pieces. I feel this is gonna be enough, as you can see here, just in smaller pieces. One step, I need a spoon, and usually they say for honey it's nice to use a plastic spoon, so don't use a metallic one. I don't know if it makes any difference, but let's believe what they say. Okay, so I'm gonna take the honey and I'll be quite generous on top of the apples. We'll be generous. Obviously you can put as much as you want. The more you put, probably the sweeter they're gonna be, but I have to watch not to put too much because honey is also quite high in calories. So I will put about a little spoon on each of the apples. There we go. And for the rest of the honey, no, I love honey. Okay, now this one, we're done with the honey, we're done with the apples. what we do now is I'll take the pecans that I just crushed and I'm gonna sprinkle them on top of the apples. There we go. So, let me show you how it looks like. This is what we're ending up, and I mean, I can sprinkle a bit more of the pecans. Honestly, it already looks awesome. Now, we'll take this to the air fryer. Remove the baking paper. Whoa, they went all over the place, doesn't matter. So, we'll put it in the fryer, and I have no idea how long it's gonna take. What I'm gonna do is probably I'll put it to 200, let's say, and we'll do 15 minutes to begin with. So, let you know in a while how it looks like. It's midway and it says I have to shake it. I'm not gonna shake it, but let's take a peek and see how it looks like. Oh, I would say it looks nice. So we'll leave it to cook all the way and see you in a bit. It's really funny. I mean, I only need to wait for 10 minutes, but I can't wait to see what's gonna happen. And obviously while I'm filming, and it's kind of taking for ages. 15 minutes are up. Here we go, the big reveal. Oh, they're looking quite nice. The question here is, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna put it 5 minutes more and see how it goes. If it's not good, then I have the second batch. Moment of truth. Okay, I may have overdid it a bit, but now they look really colorful. So, let's plate, let's plate. Go my wife. I've actually found a guinea pig. She's gonna try first, but before that, they say it's all about the plating. So let's do some plating. Nice white apples. We'll go with a black plate. Okay, black plate. Let me see. A fork, which I don't have as usual. Oh, that's hot, 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 hot. Okay, fork. Let me take the apple out. Oh, it's nice and soft. It's looking awesome. Okay, so we have the apple, and I'm thinking a little tiny bit of honey, of raw honey now on top. So we're gonna do like this. Oh, look at that. There we go. So that's done. And I have something else. I saw that I have a few fresh blueberries. So we're just gonna do like that. Usually they also do ice cream, or you can put whatever you want, but it's a diet dish. And this is the end product. Honestly, it's looking pretty awesome. So let's have my wife and try it. If she dies, I'll know that I didn't do a good job.
Okay, I'm here. I'm trying this dessert.
Yes, moment of truth. My guinea pig, my wife.
Wait.
Can you even cut it? Oh, Jesus. It's not ready.
Ah, okay.
It needed a bit more.
Maybe a little more.
But I mean, you leave it more in the...
This is okay.
Not good?
No, okay. Very good.
Yeah, let me try it.
Okay.
Let me try it. Okay, let's go. Give me a piece. Guys, she's lying. This is really good, actually.
Very good.
Maybe 5 more minutes in the fryer, but I kind of like it. It's a bit tingy right now.
Crunchy.
Yeah, and it's a bit crunchy. But this is it. That's all I had for you today. See you on the next one.